In today's episode of Alpha Quick Tips, I'm going to share a simple thing that you could do to take better portraits. Let's get into it. Beyond the camera and lens that you choose to use during a portrait shoot, psychology actually plays a big part in getting a great final image. If the person you're photographing gets the idea that you are indecisive or that you don't know how to operate your photography gear, the chances of you capturing a great shot goes down further and further, moment by moment. After all, why are they going to dig deep and give you their best poses and expressions when they think that you may not be able to capture it properly? The reality of this hit me early on in my photography career when I was using a DSLR. After every few photographs, I would play back the image and stare at the screen curiously to see what issues there were and how I could go about fixing them and continue shooting. This is commonly known as chimping. The problem is I wasn't aware of how my face looked to whoever was in front of my lens. I remember one time I was photographing someone and they actually offered to help me with my camera since it looked like I was struggling to figure something out. That is no bueno. Nowadays, I utilize my electronic viewfinder to review photos and make adjustments to my camera settings, all while keeping the camera up to my face using a feature called Auto Review. To set this up, go into your camera menu and head over to the second top menu. In the sub-menu, you'll want to find the option that says Auto Review. Once you've selected that, you'll have the option to turn the feature off or have it on for 2, 5, or 10 seconds. I set mine up for 2 seconds as it usually is more than enough time to view the photo that I had taken previously to determine if I like the way that it came out. If for some reason I need to make an adjustment, I keep the camera up to my face, and while I'm making those changes, I simply tell the person that I'm photographing to maybe change their pose or move left or right, whatever it takes to buy a few moments until I have everything dialed in just right. Now, instead of your subjects waiting on you and watching you as you fiddle with your camera, you'll appear confident, focused, and in control of your shoot, which in turn is going to give you better results. Have any funny stories to share around times that you've been caught chimping? Share it with us in the comment section below. While you're here, please consider subscribing to the Alpha Universe channel and stay up to date with all of the new videos that are posting up every week. See you next time.